Hi guys, I am Thekiwithatvapes. So today I have got a package from the one and only Smok today. Um, so yeah, I'm gonna open this and holy moly, it's smaller than I thought. Here is the NOVO kit. Geez, that is actually so smaller than I thought, man. So I've got the Crimson Cobra Rainbow. So it's got sort of different colours. So here's the box. I will show you me opening it. So I'll just change some things over. So here we go. This is the. I'll just have. Oops. So as you get gel and a NOVO one user manual. Nice. And attention, manually after filling the pod, let the whole kit stand. Blah blah blah. Let's get the saturation. Okay, so yeah. Nice. Um, so yeah. There's the kit. Amazing. So I'm gonna end it there, and I'm gonna have a go and vape this uh, glorious mod, and then I'll come back with my review. Check out my Instagram. I'll have my Instagram linked down below, and yeah, and I'll see you in the next video.